haven't boarded a bus in a long time. That was really weird. So I actually lent my car to someone, so this is when I'm going to get it, and I'm actually just walking there. And there's kind of a distance, but I'm used to walking. I like walking once in a while. And the funny part is that you get to meet people that you know and haven't met in a while back when you're not driving, and I'm like, okay, shit. But anyway, it's not like I'm trying to show off or anything. I'm very humble. I have walked so much today, my phone just notified me that, oh, congratulations, you've reached your daily limit for the day. Have you ever wanted to fart and pee at the same time so bad that I want to fart but then I'm scared to pee? There's like literally nowhere to pee. Luckily, I'm almost by the car, and two things are running through my head. Honestly, I'm really scared. I don't know how she drove the car, so I'm like, oh, I hope everything is okay. And then secondly, yeah, I think what I wanted to say is I really do want to lend out the car, and you know, just like you, the owner, driving it and someone else are just two different things. But then I was just like, anyway, the money looked good in the instance, because I won't lie, the offer was like 500 a day for the car, and I thought of it, I was like, okay, that's not bad. But then I've started to realize in any business you need to look at the profits before the revenue. You could be making close to 18,000, 50,000 and all that in revenue, but then when you look at your cost, you find that you're spending maybe 75% and just making a profit of 2,000 when you've made even 100,000. So at the end of the day, I'm like, maybe it's not even worth it that I had the car out, especially for such a small amount that's so inconsistent. It's so cold and chilly. I feel like at the end of the day, I already have a cold, and I need to start preventing it now before it gets any worse. It's so cold, like my hands are freezing. Not literally freezing, but they're so cold, and I'm not even putting on a jersey. There she is. Back with my baby. Feels so good. They really did move with this car. Okay, anyway, I think they just did the normal mileage. I left it at, I think they did about 100 Ks. Yeah, 100 plus at least, because I left like almost a quarter tank. I left like almost a quarter tank, and I'm not hiring it out again. I am never doing that. I know the money's different, but I feel like if it's constant money, where like, oh, I hire it out a lot, that would make more sense. But then it's just a one-time thing, and then, you know, like a 500 is just me putting gas, and then it's done, and I can't even do anything else with it. I can't, you know. Yeah, I've never gotten to show this in the vlogs, but I did mention that I was supposed to move out, and then something happened that made it impossible. Yeah, but I had already started buying stuff. I bought the bed, got the fridge, got a microwave, got an iron, a gas stove. So yeah, it's just waiting for the right time now. Yeah, we'll be out. It's actually going to be, this is like 4 a.m. It's going to be a good early morning, because I have to be out like by maybe 7 hours, 6:30. I don't know why I'm getting a lot of pimples. Yeah, I love these rechargeable bulbs. There's no power, but I can still like turn it on and off. I just want to do a few things on my laptop, and then shower, and then we'll be off. And then yeah, hope I get to show the vlog. But yeah, I slept really early, so waking up isn't so bad. Actually woke up at like 3, but I spent another 30 minutes in bed just being on the phone. Yeah. Just started off going for I don't know how to put it, but site viewing essentially. I bought some land in Lusaka West, so today we're going for the plot allocation, and I'm actually excited for it. I woke up really early today. I'm trying out for the first time my boots. Like I don't know why I had an insane want of boots, and I got them like on an impulse. I just went into Bata one day. I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. I really want these shoes, and I'm going to get it. Mind my language. But yeah, I have the car back. Really good. I'm enjoying driving it. I won't even lie. Lusaka West is a kind of a long trip, so it would be fun. And being a Saturday, there's no traffic, so that's another good thing. The beauty of being a petrolhead is that you can easily diagnose things. I almost thought that was a cop car, so that's why I stopped for a bit. You can easily diagnose things, but then it also gives you that, like, don't get peace of mind when I'm driving a car. Usually just like any slight feeling of a car, like you just notice something like, oh, maybe your gearbox has changed down where it's not supposed to. You're like, is a gearbox developing a problem? Maybe when you're trying to pick up and it's not picking up, and then like, what's going on? I don't feel like, I don't know what's happening to my face and pimples though. Yeah, like, why is it not picking up here? What's going on? Like, I hate that feeling in me. I don't know if I'm the only one who gets that. If you do, please comment below, because like I get it a lot where like, oh, is the car having a problem? Is the gearbox having a problem? Is this going on? Like, I'm trying to analyze so many things, but then it is what it is. Those are the perks of having a car. Just have money, guys. No. The other side, bro. Came here by Mike's to watch some spinning, but no car is spinning yet, so I think I'll just step out and head to where I was actually going. Going to Nkwashi now, just taking a short drive. I wanted to be on the canoe. I haven't been for a long time, so I found myself here. Hoping it'll be a good time. It will.
One day we gon' walk down the I need some peace of mind. I need tranquility. So we can live this life. Rambo. I'ma load out the ammo. We gon' pull out the Lambo.
We're hoping to get on a canoe here, but then there's no one to take us on the canoe. Usually there's a guy, but we can't see him. But yeah, we're still going to enjoy the waters and just sit down because the weather is nice. It's not nice. Okay, it's cold. I literally ran to the car just to get my jerseys, but very nice scene. No, I will actually post a vlog. I haven't been posting of late, but I really want to. Yeah, I have it. We're just living in Nkwashi now. It's been a nice, good experience. I always love coming to this place. It's very quiet, very tranquil. I'm sad we didn't get to the canoes. That's one of my key takeaways whenever I come here. Like, you can see the sunset. There's no sun, so there would have been no sunset, but still nice. It's very cold. But yeah, it's been one hell of a day. I feel like this is the first time I've actually done more vlogging than I have in the past few weeks, months. They know me.
Hey!